Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a quick Halloween stamping plate haul video for you. I'm so excited that it's finally October, which means that I am officially starting my Halloween party series. And for my first video in the month of October, I decided to start with a quick haul. I have a few stamping plates with Halloween themes. I don't really know what happened this year, but this is relatively all I was able to find. I haven't seen Ajubas and Winstonia coming out with anything this year. I don't know if it's because of the pandemic, but I have a few plates from UberChic, Nicole Diary, Maniology and Born Pretty Store to show to you. I will link everything that I can, of course, for you in the description box, so definitely check the links out if you are interested in purchasing any of these plates. With Born Pretty Store and Nicole Diary, it might be a little tricky depending on the shipping situation, but you shouldn't have any problems finding Maniology and the UberChic beauty plates. So I do hope you will enjoy this haul video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and I will be definitely also swatching these plates for you in an upcoming video or videos. So if you don't want to miss out on those, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. If there is anything in particular that you would like to see first, please let me know, but I will just review these as I have time throughout the month of October. Yeah, I think that's it. So I will jump into the haul portion, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section. But as I said, you should be seeing these plates throughout the month of October as part of my Halloween party series. So everybody stay safe, continue watching the haul portion, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you, bye bye.